miss your opportunity. Chocolate.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys this Kylie Jenner inspired makeup tutorial. She posted a video on YouTube of her doing a look with a pink inner corner, and I'm going to be using all drugstore products, so this whole entire look is affordable, and these lashes will be linked down in the description box. And I also have a coupon code for y'all to use. It's JK10. It'll be down below, and it's for 30% off your order. Be sure to like this video, comment any video suggestions you have for me, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content from me. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm going to be starting off with my brows. I'm going to be using the NYX Payment Frame in the shade Espresso. I don't know why, but my left eyebrow is so hard for me to do. Like, it's just so weird. So I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer in the shade Deep Brown. Beyonce just made a post. Hold on, drop everything. You don't have notifications on for Beyonce on Instagram. Who are you? For now, that's all I'm gonna do with my brows. I'm gonna clean them up with the I'm gonna clean my brows up with the Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C10. So my camera stopped recording. I don't know what part it left off at. Here we are. I just finished blending out the concealer under my brows. First, I'm gonna prime my face with the Maybelline Baby Skin Powder. Okay. Before I do my foundation, I'm gonna prime my face with the Maybelline Baby Skin Powder. Am I serious right now? Before I do my foundation, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Baby Skin Primer. Now I'm going to do my foundation, and I'm going to be using the Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Foundation. You can definitely tell that I love this foundation. I use it all the time. I'm basically out of it, but I think I can get a little bit more out of this bottle. So, first of all, I look very orange. I'm not really this orange. I don't know what's going on. But my camera overheated, so I didn't get to show me blending out majority of my foundation. But I'm gonna try to hurry up and blend this out before it turns off again. going to highlight my face with the Makeup Revolution concealer. I'm going to add a little bit of the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 25. I'm going to put that like more on my inner part. And then to contour, I'm also going to use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Cafe. To set everywhere that I put concealer, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution baking powder. The only thing I hate about this powder is the container. There's no way to like pour it out without making a mess. I feel like it makes my under eyes too dry. Or maybe I just didn't do it right when I first tried it and I didn't like it. So maybe one day I will try baking again. But it's too cold. My under eyes are too dry for that, honey. Got the rest of my face. I'm gonna grab my Maybelline Fit Me loose finishing powder. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette, and I'm just gonna be using the shade, what is this? Sweet Tea. I'm gonna be using the shade Sweet Tea. I'm just gonna put that in my crease. We are gonna get to the fun part. To get this pink, this is out of my comfort zone. I've never done something like this before. I'm gonna go back to the Lemonade Craze palette, and I'm gonna take the shade Ice Pop, and I'm gonna start with that color on my inner, my whole like inner part. Okay, I need a different brush for this. I'm gonna go back to the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm gonna use this color, this pink, and maybe this one. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to line my upper lash line with this black pencil eyeliner from Essence. So I'm going to use the Maybelline Great Lash. I'm going to be doing my lashes now, and I'm going to be using this style from Minked Collection. I'll have them linked down below in the description box, and I have a coupon code. I'll leave it on the screen. It's for 30% off, and these are bomb too. 100% mink lashes. This is what they look like. Picture or something of them, but they're so nice. So you guys, back with my lashes. They're on. They look great. I love them. I think I'm gonna put some eyeliner on my lower lash line. I'm just gonna use the same eyeliner that I use for the wing. So now I'm going to move back to my face. For bronzer, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild contouring palette, and I'm just going to be using the contouring color. For blush, I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild Color Icon blush. I'm going to set my face with the Milani Make It Dewy setting spray. So yeah, I really love this look, you guys. Like, this is a bomb look. I want to do a pink highlight. I need to find a pink eyeshadow because I don't have an actual pink highlight. So I'm going to go find a pink eyeshadow, a pink shimmery eyeshadow, and then I'll be right back. For highlight, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlight in the shade Golden Flower Crown, a gold eyeshadow, but it's not that bright, you know, it's kind of subtle. So I'm just gonna mix it with probably this pink shade in the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette. Poppin' though. Poppin' though. Okay, so I'm gonna use the Strawberry Lemonade color again to just highlight a little bit of the inner corner so it's just not so matte.